YouTube. Oh shit. Here we go again. Today I got this 2003 Infiniti FX35. I think that's what it is. I don't know. It's a nice orange on orange, man. You cannot beat that. Look at that. Okay. Black, orange. Little rips in the seat. Nothing too crazy. Spacious. Black. Headliner. I like this. This is different. This is different. Has 170 on the clock. Pretty good car. So nice car, looking car. Rust, no rust. Has aftermarket wheels. And it has a few issues. It's got a code for a cylinder 5 misfire, and then it has a P0327 code for knock sensor. So as you can see, I already pulled off the intake manifold, the fuel rails, just to get down there into the knock sensor. The old one is here, doesn't look too bad. And they usually say to check the wiring too. I got a import direct one, so I hope it works, because usually these Japanese cars, they don't like aftermarket stuff. I hope it works though. I'm praying, my fingers are crossed. We're gonna see what happens. I love that there's room, but I also don't like that it's back there because it's really hard to reach, so I have to climb in here sometimes. You know, pull that intake manifold off. Here's a new one. Here's all the bolts. It was only like 50 bolts. Nothing too bad. Golly, it was like 100 bolts, man. But pulled it off yesterday. I got the part today. Going to put it in. Hopefully I can get some footage, let y'all see the process. Hopefully this works. I'll let y'all know. Guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. Working on cars absolutely sucks. It's not much choice you have when you don't have that much money to be going to the dealership and waiting for them on their own time and having them upsell you and blah blah blah. It's always bullshit, man. It's always bullshit. But I got the sensor in. Sensor's in. The wiring looks good. Everything looks good. I don't want to look inside of this wrap and take everything off, but sensor's in. And it was just that one bolt sensor. I kind of broke it a little bit. Just the release tab should be fine. Pulled all this apart just for one bolt sensor. This is the life of cars, man. This is the life of a mechanic. Now I gotta put everything back together, plug in the fuel rails. You're supposed to replace this O-ring back here, but I'm not gonna do that. You're supposed to replace you get the point, man. I'm slapping this shit back together. Let y'all know how that goes. Shot calling. Man, when a day like this, all I need is some Juice WRLD. That's all I need just to get me through the day. No cap. That is not my option. Bro, my ratchet it's like missing teeth. It's like I got a pizza in my hand or something. Got this. You should clean this, y'all. Let me say that. Let me start with that. You should be cleaning all this, but not today, man. So these gaskets, they all need to be replaced. If y'all are doing this, do it the right way. Do as I do. Do as I say, not as I do. I think that's how it goes. But injectors are all on, plugged in. About to throw this thing on. See how that goes. Shit. that flush? Jesus. There it goes. Whew. Man, I hope this gasket's alright. Only one way to find out. Alright, got the top of the intake manifold on. The throttle body is where you really need to pay attention because there's one on the bottom. Coolant lines hiding. Then you got this one down here. This you can see is obviously cracked. That shit is cracked. What can I do, man? Luckily that's not a coolant line. But before you put everything on, make sure you get that bottom one on. I don't know if y'all can see that. You can see the clamp, but that one needs to go on first. Alright guys, everything is on. About to start it. This is the moment of truth, man. Sounds better. Sounds good. That felt good. Didn't feel like it was misfiring. I'm gonna drive it around a little bit, see what's going on. I can still feel a little misfire. Nothing too crazy. Oh, there it goes. She's flashing again. Then it went away. That's so weird. Man. She's fixed, boys. She's fixed. I still got codes for the knock sensor. I got a mass airflow sensor code. Not really worried about it. She's revving way better. It sounds way better. This is why I got a mass airflow sensor. I just had to retape this. I probably need a new one. And then here's our culprit. Here's our culprit. We got a bad coil pack. Bad coil pack. No good, man. I was kind of stuck when I swapped the sensors out, the knock sensor out, pulling all those bolts and whatnot. Car still wasn't running right. So I decided to swap around some parts. First thing I did was the coil packs. As soon as I swapped it around, because first it was cylinder 5 misfire, then I swapped it around. Turns out there's a cylinder 2 misfire. So I'm like, oh, okay. It's the coil pack. The coil pack's bad. I just need to get that intake fixed. And that's it, man. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all got a knock sensor and a misfire? Fix the misfire. Damn, she just died? That's a bad leak, man. I need some more tape. She's fixed though, man. I can't even, whew. Thank you, God. Peace.